In today's video, I am going to teach you how to make Squarespace website multilingual. To get started, log into your Squarespace account and open the website editor for the site you want to translate. Make sure you are inside the correct site before moving forward, since the language settings will apply to that specific website. Once you are in the editor, look over to the left side menu and click Settings. This is where Squarespace keeps the main controls for your website, including language and integration options. After that, find and click Site Languages. This section is where you can manage language-related features for your site. Inside Site Languages, look for the area labeled Multilingual by Weglot. Squarespace uses this integration to help you create a multilingual experience for your visitors without rebuilding your website from scratch in another language. When you see that section, click Connect to begin linking the translation tool to your site. Squarespace will then ask you to approve access for the extension. Click Allow to give the necessary permissions. This step is important because it lets the integration connect properly with your website so it can manage the translated version of your content. Next, you will be taken to Weglot. At this point, either sign up for a new Weglot account or log in if you already have one. Follow the prompts on screen until you reach the Weglot dashboard or setup area. This part is usually quick, and once you are in, you can choose the language you want your website translated into. Find the Destination Languages drop-down menu and select the language you want to add to your site. Be careful to choose the correct language for your audience, since this determines the translated version visitors will see. If you plan to serve a specific region, this is a good time to double-check your selection before saving. After choosing your destination language, click Save. This confirms the setup and applies the multilingual configuration to your Squarespace site. At this stage, your website is connected and ready to support translations through Weglot. From there, your multilingual setup is in place, and visitors can begin accessing your content in the language you selected. That covers everything you need to know.